Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get shaders on Roblox Mobile. We'll dive into enhancing your game's visuals directly on your phone or tablet without needing CapCut. This guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you can enjoy a more immersive and visually stunning Roblox experience. Get ready to transform your gameplay with improved graphics and lighting effects, all from your mobile device, in just a few simple steps. So, what exactly are shaders? Simply put, they are programs that control how graphics are rendered, adding advanced visual effects like realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections. For Roblox Mobile, this means your games can look much more vibrant and detailed. Using shaders can truly elevate your gaming experience, making the virtual worlds feel more alive and immersive right on your handheld device. Now, let's get into the how-to without CapCut. First, always check Roblox's in-game graphics settings. Sometimes, simply adjusting these can make a big difference. Beyond that, we'll look at reputable third-party applications specifically designed to enhance mobile game visuals. These tools can often introduce shader-like effects, giving your Roblox experience that desired visual upgrade. Remember to always download from trusted sources for safety. To get the most out of your mobile shaders, here are some key tips. Always prioritize safety by only using well-known and trusted applications. Next, it's crucial to find a balance between stunning visuals and smooth performance. Sometimes, the highest settings might impact your game's speed. Don't be afraid to experiment with various settings and tools to discover the perfect aesthetic for your favorite Roblox games. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.